There's a place on the Oregon coast where time slows down, where the only sound you'll hear is the rhythm of the waves and the whisper of the wind. As you get closer to Florence, Oregon, the road opens up to stunning panoramic views. You'll pass the iconic Heceta Lighthouse, one of the most photographed spots on the Oregon coast. The waves crash against rugged rocks, creating that perfect blend of power and peace. This beach isn't crowded, it's quiet, it's vast, and it's perfect for those who want to escape the noise of everyday life. Welcome to Heceta Beach, one of Oregon's most peaceful stretches of coastline. Walking barefoot here feels grounding. The sand is soft, cool, and stretches endlessly. You'll find driftwood scattered everywhere, each piece shaped by the sea, each telling its own story. The air smells like salt and pine, a combination that's uniquely Oregon. And if you just stop and close your eyes, the ocean breeze can make you forget everything else. Just a short drive up from the beach, the Heceta Lighthouse stands tall, built in the late 1800s, guiding sailors safely through these foggy waters. From the viewpoint, you can see the waves dancing below, and the endless coastline stretching far beyond the horizon. It's a view that truly humbles you, a reminder of how small we are compared to nature's grandeur. As the sun begins to set, the beach transforms. Golden light reflects off the wet sand, turning every ripple into liquid gold. The waves slow down, and the world gets quieter. It's in moments like this you realize sometimes peace isn't found in silence, it's found in the rhythm of the ocean. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Heceta Beach, a place that reminds us to pause, breathe, and simply be. If you enjoyed this cinematic escape, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems across the Pacific Northwest. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and never stop chasing sunsets.